I've been trying to rush back in here. I'm running a little late this evening. I'm back in here where I seen that buck at the other day. And I don't know why I'm whispering so quiet, but I just jumped 3 deer right out here. I couldn't tell what 2 of them was. The one looked like it may have been a buck. It may have been that buck I seen. I don't know. I don't think they knew what I was because they was 80 to 100 yards from me. I think they just seen something. They seen me moving, walking, and spooked. That's why you shouldn't rush. I shouldn't have been rushing in here. Should have been taking my time, sneaking in. Because maybe I'd have spotted them before, and I'd have just stayed back, you know. But it is what it is. So maybe we can just get a bump and dump today. I don't know. I'm gonna head on over here where I was going. I'm going, like I said, I'm going to the same place where I seen that 8-point there. I don't know if y'all get to see it on camera, not very good, but I'm not going up that tree. I'm going on over closer towards that ridge where he was and see if, you know, maybe I can get a better look at him if he comes out to see him. But that may have been him right there. I just spooked. I don't know. But like I said, it's still way early, so if we can get over here and get set up, those deer might circle back around and come back in here to see, you know, or something different may come back in. So we'll go back here and see. So we'll catch y'all when we're in the tree. A little buck's still in here. We got a fresh scrape right here. That looks like it might have been from this morning. We got that fresh scrape right there. That could have been from this morning or just a little bit ago. I mean, it's hard to tell because the ground's wet because it's rained all day. Back in here's where I seen that buck at the other day. So I'm trying to find a tree up in here next 20, 30 yards. Finally got set up. Found a decent tree to get in. It's a basketball-sized red oak. Like I said, I'm up in here. I seen that buck on Monday evening. I'll stick around. We'll see what happens this evening.
I can't get the radar pumped up, but now everything's got it 48% for up till 8 o'clock now. I don't know how long I'll sit here. I have to run and get wet. I don't mind getting wet. It's gonna rain that long and deer probably gonna move real quick. Wind's picking up. I know y'all can probably hear that. It's coming down pretty good. I'm trying to get a hold of the light, see what it's doing. Up in the sky, it's brightened up a little bit. But
A bunch of deer coming right up through there. A couple anyway.
Those two yards come in last week, earlier in the week when that buck come in. Still standing over there. Walk up through that way right there. There she comes back down now. Oh, she's just gonna want to get out of here. Guess that buck does come through. They just ran up over the ridge, clear up over there going. Just getting it up over there. Crap. I don't know if anything else will come in or not. They never blowed or snorted or nothing. You can tell by the camera it's still dark in these woods. I mean, I can see pretty good, but the camera just won't pick up the light as well. I don't know, they run up over that ridge from where that buck come from Monday, so I don't know if he'll come off there or not, if he's still up there. I'd say it's the same three I spooked earlier today when I come in here. They was coming right over towards this big white oak should have been feeding on them. I don't know, guys. I checked the wind. It actually ain't blown over that way unless it swirled like it has been and went that way once upon a time there while I was coming through there, because right now it's blowing directly in my face, back behind me, away from the way they was coming. Unless they seen something, because they kept looking down that way, down towards the hollow. So unless they seen something down that way, they put them on in. And she looked over this way a couple times, but I know she didn't see me. I don't know. Right there stands a buck, guys. If y'all can see him, it's just too dark, but he's only got one side horn. Camera won't focus, too dark. Alright guys, I made it back to the truck. As you can see, it's still, the sky's brightened up a little bit, but it's pitch black back in the woods when I climbed down.
Had them 3 does come in there and they spooked something behind me. They kept looking down that way. They look up my way. I thought the wind was blowing that way because I felt it one time, but I kept checking it and it wasn't my wind. But then after they turned and walked up the ridge, and then they spooked and went on up straight up the ridge. About 5 minutes later, I was looking down behind me, and I seen something walking through off that one ridge over there. I don't know if it was a deer, a person. I don't know what. It was too dark to tell. But I'd say that's whatever it was. I'd say that's what spooked them. But I'm done hunting that spot for a while. Youth season comes in this weekend, so I ain't sure where I'm gonna hunt at tomorrow and Sunday, but I'll try to get out anyway, at least in the evenings. But I won't be back down here probably this weekend. Like I said, it ain't a very big property, but probably come back next week at least one evening, and hit a couple spots that I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty good during pre-rut. But so I'll probably be back down and hit them spots. But we'll catch y'all on the next one.